MerryStar program basically is following closely the Cambridge program, which is excellent. I could see that obviously that students are learning here at a much higher level than would be expected of their age group itself. So it's very impressive. Okay, I've visited MerryStar officially around 3 times, and I would say that in my first visit of the MerryStar itself, I've been pretty impressed as to, although it's a small school, but it contains all the functional needs, or able to provide all the functional needs for the running of the early childhood center. Every classroom itself has been properly set up, equipped with kind of learning apparatus and equipment to ensure students actually have been exposed and being able to develop in all kind of areas, be it in language, in numeracy, in terms of like social emotional activities. They are just so rich in resources. So I greatly kind of delighted and would happily endorse MerryStar as a Cambridge Early Years Centre, and be more than happy also to promote this centre to any other parents who might be interested to consider. MerryStar is a wonderful centre. It was obvious that the MerryStar teachers are well trained and could actually engage the students very actively, and students actually enjoy their lessons very well. I could see that obviously that students are learning here at a much higher level than would be expected of their age group itself. I would expect there is, of course, in any education system, including, for example, Cambridge, there's always room for improvement, but MerryStar is really doing a great job for the start.